In this video, I'll show you the complete step-by-step process for building an easy woodworking project, which is perfect for making and selling. Hi friend, welcome to another video on the Wood Art channel. I invite you to like this video, and if you're new here, subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss the upcoming projects. The wood that will be used is a pine board measuring 1 meter 30 centimeters in length by 25 centimeters in width. It's approximately 25 millimeters thick. Here at the miter saw, I'll cut it into 2 pieces, each 65 centimeters long. Important! That end has already been cut square. At the bench saw, I'll cut both pieces on one side only, removing a few millimeters for cleaning. Then, from each piece, I'll cut 2 parts, each 12 centimeters wide. I'll support the cut side on the ruler. Next, I'll pass everything through the planer to standardize the thickness. In the next step, I'll make some markings on one of the pieces. I've already set the square to 18 millimeters and will mark it like this. With the help of the square, I'll draw a line from side to side. I'll repeat the same at the other end as well. Now I'll use another piece and place it like this. On this side, it will be aligned with the marking that was made, and on the other side, I'll draw a line too. This will be repeated at both points, leaving the first marking on the outside. I'll adjust the square to a measurement of 6 centimeters, which is half the width of the piece, and mark in the opposite direction at both points. The marking will be repeated on the other 3 pieces. The complete sanding will be done using 180 grit sandpaper. It's important not to oversand at this stage to ensure the joints aren't loose. With a 1/2-inch chisel, I'll clean up this part of the joint. Next, we'll proceed with the assembly. I've aligned everything and will apply glue to this part. I'll use a brush to spread it. Here will be done as well. I'll keep 2 of them separate. The other 2 will be assembled like this. Then I will fit the other pieces in a similar way. After this step, it's always important to clean up any excess glue thoroughly. To ensure a good bond, I'll use clamps to tighten everything. I'll leave it like this until the glue dries, then I'll move on to the next step. I'll add this piece of wood to the project. It measures 24 centimeters in length by 4.5 centimeters in width by 2 centimeters in thickness. I will make some markings on it. I've set the square to 4 centimeters and will mark it like this on both ends. I change to 10 millimeters or a centimeter and will mark in the opposite direction. Now I change to 3 centimeters and will mark like this. I change to 22 millimeters, which is half the width of the piece, and will mark in the opposite direction. The markings will be drilled using this 3 millimeter bit with an 8 millimeter countersink. I'll apply a bit of glue here, and on the ends, I'll place the countersunk part down and position it like this. The fastening will be done with this screw, which measures 50 millimeters in length by 4 millimeters in diameter. A new sanding will be done, this time with 100 grit sandpaper to make everything smooth. In the next step, a router with this 28 millimeter corner round bit will be used. I'll round all the edges of the top part and the ends. I'll sand manually with 220 grit sandpaper. The final finish will be done by applying a wood sealer diluted with thinner. To add color to the item, I'll apply this special brown dye along with the sealer. Level up! Check out the links in the description to find essential tools and techniques that will make all the difference in your woodworking projects. Good folks, here's the finished project, a decorative shelf. It's designed to hold objects and can also be used to decorate empty spaces. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on all notifications to receive more videos like this. Don't forget to share your comment with your opinion about the item I made. I'll be honored to reply. Help this content reach more people by sharing it with friends. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.